What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm gonna torture test this Baja Wrangler 2. I'm gonna try and break it. Oh! I love you, Ma!
Not pull a 15-foot John boat out of the water. Oh!
And we're going to talk about why I think this is one of the best models with suspension if you're looking for an ultra smooth ride that can handle some of the most aggressive terrains out there. Now, before I get started, let me do some housekeeping real quick. This is not an in-depth review video. If you want to learn all about the specs and all the details, the comfort adjustment features, we have an in-depth review video. Make sure you check it out. I'll put the link in the top right-hand corner of the screen and in the description below. You can also claim a copy of our brand new 2026 product catalog. It has the Wrangler and all of our top selling products, discount codes, and a ton of information about our company, Mobility Direct. If you want a copy, just call the number below and ask one of our non-commissioned sales experts for a copy. Give them your address, they'll process it for you. Or you can click right there at the top right-hand corner where it says Get Free Catalog, and it'll take you to a form to fill out your address on our website. Super easy to do. All right, folks, so in this video, this is gonna be kind of like a country boy torture test, okay? I spent the morning digging up some little trenches for these 6.5-inch, 7-inch holes that are used for fencing, and I'm gonna run over them and I'm gonna see how much water is left in my 1 cup measuring cup full of water. I'm gonna hold this with one hand, drive it with the other hand. And that's gonna tell us scientifically exactly how smooth it is, the smooth factor, down to 1/1000th of a decimal point. It's very scientific. Don't try this at home unless you have scientific education and tools. Let's go ahead and do our first run. Now, by the way, folks, somewhere in this video, pay attention because there's gonna be a hidden message on the screen. The first 20 people to spot it are going to get access to an exclusive discount code that'll save you big on your next purchase. Now, that doesn't just apply to this awesome American-made Baja Wrangler. It can go towards any product on our website. So pay attention. Towards the end of the video, you're going to see that hidden message. All right, let's go ahead and get in the Wrangler. By the way, we are going to do this with a series of other off-road scooters with suspension to see how it stacks up in other videos. So make sure you subscribe and hit that enable notifications bell so you get notified when those other torture test videos come out very soon. All right, I got my cup of water. It's 1 cup full. Rusty, watch out, buddy. I'm going to hold my cup of water out to the side here and go kind of slow. Go kind of slow. All right, so that's not too bad. I mean, we lost 25% of our water. We're at 3/4 of a cup. What do you think? I'm gonna do it one more time, full speed without the water. This wouldn't be a Mobility Direct torture testing video if we didn't do it a few times. So I am gonna go a couple more times just to see how it feels and see that suspension work. Now, honestly, if you've got a bad back or any kind of like back pain at all, it's really not that bad. I mean, compared to what you would expect out of a regular mobility scooter, the suspension on this thing is pretty awesome. All right, folks, so next up for the torture test, we're gonna go over some land that has been just recently bush hogged. There's tree stumps everywhere. Probably gonna pop a few tires. Let's see what happens. I just wanna be upfront and honest. Drew said I shouldn't do this. Drew said, don't do it, you're gonna break it. And I said, nonsense, Drew. This is the Wrangler. We'll be fine. Oh. What is that? I just need some speed. This thing's got some oomph. 2 2500 peak watt motors. 1 person ride, which means if you put it in your garage, it's not going to take up a whole bunch of room like a golf cart or a side-by-side or a UTV, and no gas, which means no maintenance. Super affordable compared to those big machines. I hook up a wagon to it. I tow around my tools, my shovels, my chainsaws, and I get work done. Love this thing. And the accessory add-on for the weathered canopy is a must if you're in Florida where it rains all the time and it's super hot. You keep yourself nice and cool. Let's keep testing. Ma! Woo! That was fun. And honestly, wasn't that bad. I mean, sure, I was wiggling quite a bit, but still working. No breakers popped. You know what that means? Let's turn it up a notch. All right, folks. What we're gonna do now is the water drainage ditch test, infamous testing grounds here for the Mobility Direct YouTube channel. We test all kinds of scooters here, and not many can make it. In fact, I know that this is one of the few that can make it, but there has been a lot of rain. This ditch hasn't been maintained, so let's try it again. It's been about a year since I've taken it in this ditch intentionally. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the tires just started spinning out because the ground is a little loose right now. Doesn't not have power, it's just the sand factor. Okay, not that you'd be doing this in a real life scenario anyway, but let's see. I don't think it's gonna make it out because unfortunately the sand down here is super loose. Normally it does, and I might just need to hit it with some more speed. I think that's what it is. I just need some more speed. Said every smart man ever. Yeah, this sand is super soft right now. It's dry season. Normally the water kind of makes this more compact. All right, mama, pray for me. I love you, ma. Woo, there it is. There. All right, let's go to the other side one more time, just for fun, for America. Mama didn't raise no whip. Go, yes! Woo-hoo! That is how we do it. So the John Deere was able to get through here. Go, go, go! God dang. I mean, this thing's pretty tough. I want to go over there and check out the gators. Let's go. You think I should try and cross over the fence line? Yep. That was epic. I'm doing it again. Pride Mobility is probably going to send us a cease and desist letter, but I don't care. Let's go. It wouldn't be a torture test video without the ramp. So what do you say we go over to the ramp and catch some air? All right, now just for gigs, we're going to go over the biggest ant pile in the world. Yep, it's right here. I tested it. It's definitely the biggest ant pile in the world. It passed the biggest ant pile in the world test with flying colors, y'all. I'm impressed. Now, by the way, folks, before we get any further, I do want to tell you a little bit about our YouTube channel. We don't just make torture test videos. We've got DIY repair videos, comparison videos, yes, review videos. But I think the most important part about Mobility Direct is our mission to give back. We actually give away mobility scooters all the time to people in need, people who can't afford them, people who are struggling to get around with a manual chair, pair of crutches, sometimes just a cane. A lot of them are veterans. And we show up sometimes with the cameras rolling and we give them a free mobility scooter. If you want to be a part of that mission, all you have to do is shop at Mobility Direct. Part of every sale goes towards funding our next giveaway. So even if you don't need a scooter, if you know someone that does, spread the word. Share this video on your Facebook page for others to see. The more the message gets out there, the more we can give back. We can make a difference, y'all. One mobility scooter at a time. Now let's go ahead and continue beating this thing up. All right, guys, I gotta be honest, I'm a little scared about this test. We're gonna jump this ramp, which is basically a giant log. With the canopy on top, I'm just praying it doesn't collapse on my head and crack my skull. Wish me luck, guys. And if I don't make it, just tell my wife and kids I love them. Ow! Ow! God, I hit my head on the mirror. Let's go. Go! Well, folks, I think this is gonna have to conclude the torture test. I mean, we've done a lot of other things with this scooter. We've towed a truck. We've put a boat in a pond and tried towing it out. Didn't work. What else have we done? We've done a ton of things just torturing the heck out of this, and it's survived. I haven't even had to really patch a hole in the tire or anything. I'm really impressed with this machine, okay? I will tell you that this is probably gonna be the best option out there, hands down actually, for off-road capabilities and raw power. There's one other model which we are gonna do the same torture test with, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. That model I think has a more comfortable ride, but this thing is just meant for going off-road and having fun. It's fast, it's rugged, and there's really not much that can get in its way. Again, this is the Baja Wrangler. It comes with a free 1-year in-home repair contract and an industry-leading parts warranty. So if anything goes wrong within the first year, you don't even have to go anywhere. A technician comes to your home. All the dealers out there that sell Pride Mobility scooters know how to work on these things, so it's really easy to get service. I love it. I think you're gonna love it too. And remember, if you wanna learn more, check out our YouTube videos, claim a copy of our free product catalog. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and our cameraman today is Andrew. Thanks for watching this video. We'll catch you in the next one.